Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Godot and how to set up everything for you to start programming in the Godot game engine. So first off, we're going to head over to our browser, the favorite browser of your choice. I'm using Brave here because as you can see it saves time. So I'm going to go over to godotengine.org and here it is. So you're going to go over to the downloads tab and you can see different operating systems here. Just forget about this Linux server one. If you're just starting Godot, you don't need to worry about this. If you're on a Linux, just go for Linux, Mac, and whatever you're on. So for me, I am on Windows and I'm on a 64-bit computer. If you're on a 32-bit, this is recommended. We just click this and the download starts. Mine, I'm going to just set it in the Godot app, and I already have it, so I don't want to download it again. I can just press cancel, but if you don't, you can just click save and it's going to start downloading. When it downloads, here it's going to come out like this. So you're just going to extract this. You're going to right click on it and be like extract here. As you can see, it's done, and if I open it up, you're going to see that it opens something like a command prompt window here or something, and here it is. So actually when you start, everything is not going to be like this. There will be no project in here. So what you can do is just click new project and you give it the name of the project you want. So I can just say game, and you can either click create folder or you just make a new folder by yourself. For the easier way, I'm just going to create a new folder called game. And just know that if you want to create a new Godot file, it has to be in an empty folder, just like this. So as you can see, we have our renderer OpenGLES 3.0, OpenGLES 2.0. If you want to work with 3D games, 3.0 is best. And as you can see, it has low visual quality. So if you want to make a good 2D game that has high visual quality and everything is good, you're going to use OpenGLES 3.0. So I think that should be it. Click create and edit. Godot app is going to open up. When you just open the engine, this is how it's going to look. And if you want to know how to get started with making games, you can check over in the description. I'm going to show you some videos that you can go and watch, and just to know what everything is and how to get it working. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Smash subscribe if you like this channel, and goodbye.